Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 9.3 question number 3. Find the product. Let us find the product. Number 1. Number 1 you see here is a square into 2 to the power 2 a to the power 22 into 4 a to the power 26. First of all we'll multiply the number, that is 2 into 4 into a square into a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. First of all, we multiply the number, that is 2 4 is 8, and these are the power. The power will be added because the base is same, that is a to the power, that is 2 plus 22 plus 26. We add the power, that is 26 plus 22 plus 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, carry 1, it is 0, 2, 4, and 5, 50. That is we are getting 8 to the power 50, and that is the answer. 8 to the power 50, and that is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 2 by 3 xy multiply minus 9 by 10 x square y square. We are getting, first multiply the number, that is 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10 into xy into x square y square, x square y square. Therefore we are getting, if we cutting it by 2, 202, 2 5 is 10, 303, 3 3 is 9, then minus 3 by 5, we are getting minus 3 by 5. Here see x into x square is x to the power cube, y into y to the power square is y to the power cube, and that is the answer. The answer is minus 3 by 5 x to the power cube y to the power cube. Let's solve question number 3. Minus 10 by 3 p q to the power cube into 6 by 5 p to the power cube into q. First of all, multiply the numbers, that is minus 10 by 3, 10 by 3 minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5, 6 by 5 into p q to the power cube into p to the power cube q. We are getting 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, that is minus 2 2 is 4, p to the power pq into p is p to the power 4, p to the power 4, and q to the power cube into q is q to the power 4. The answer is 4 minus 4 p to the power 4 q to the power 4. That is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is x into x square into x cube into x to the power 4. Here you see the base is same. Then we need to add the exponent, the x to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Therefore, we are getting x to the power 4 plus 3 7, 8, 9, 10, x to the power 10, and that is the answer. Here the base is same. That means you have to add the powers x to the power 10. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.